Yo, what's up guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back or to the channel. Alright, you guys see the front end of this truck? It don't look that bad. The lights and stuff. Grill obviously needs to be replaced and repainted. But man, we about to change up the whole look of this damn truck. You see this box right here? Man, you guys have been telling me for years to just buy new headlights. My friend keeps telling me stop buying junk from the junkyard, buy new stuff, and I finally did it. So yeah, dude, I got the cheapest headlights that you can get for this truck. I'm about to put them on today. Let's go ahead and pull this grill off. All right, so first thing you need to do is go ahead and remove all the screws and bolts that hold your grill on. There's 7 mil. One's right here, one's right here, one's right there, one's on the end there, and then you will have one somewhere in here. So what you need to do now is go ahead and pull the grill forward. These grills are freaking long as heck, dude. All right, so once you pull it forward, what you want to do is go ahead and unplug your corner light and then your lower turn signals, and then go ahead and remove your grill entirely and set that to the side. So I got these headlights right here from the junkyard. I actually like these headlights a lot, but they are hella faded, and it's time to put some new ones on. So you got 4 10mm bolts that hold on the whole headlight. All right, so when you get all the bolts taken out of the headlight, what you want to do, flip it over, twist out the bulbs, and don't touch the lenses. Mine have LED in the low and high beams, but if it was like a regular light bulb, I don't have a regular light bulb to show you guys, but oils from your fingers will get on the light bulb and it'll cause it to burn out prematurely. So yeah, just don't touch it. Anyway, now's the time to go ahead and clean everything up. So I'm gonna go ahead and bust that light bulb off. Alright, so I decided to go ahead and skip on the cleaning. I'll do that at a later time. Not really worried about it right now. Now, we need to move on to the grill. So we got to remove the turn signals on the side and the lower turn signals on the bottom, and get those mugs replaced. So on the lower turn signals, you will have 4 Phillips screws on each side. As you can tell, I only have 3 on this side and 2 on the other side. Go ahead and remove those and then pop out the lower turn signal. Once you get all 4 screws removed, just go ahead and pop that out, throw that right there. I actually got these from the junkyard, and these are actually new. So just gonna lay them right there, and I might sell those along with the shitty headlights. So if anybody needs lower turn signals and shitty headlights for your truck, hit me up. I'll sell them for super cheap. So now what you want to do is go ahead and remove these on the side, and they are just 2 10mm bolts on both sides. Alright, are you guys ready to see what these lights look like, man? Man, these things are so freaking awesome. Pow! Pow! Right in the kisser. Man, check these out, bro. Check these out. Whew. Look at these, man. These are black housing with a clear lens. This is what I've been wanting to get for my damn truck. And the best part is, they're made in China, so you know they're not gonna last long. Cool. Anyway, that's what the other one looks like. I mean, it's almost like it's identical. There you go. And it's actually got these plugs on it, so nothing can get in there, no condensation or anything. Yeah, dude. These are freaking awesome. I gotta hurry up because it's starting to rain again. As you guys can tell, we got some little difficulties here. We're missing a little mounting piece right there and one right there. So only bad thing is this kit does not come with new hardware. So you guys got to use your old hardware, your old screws. So make sure you guys go to the junkyard and get some screws or these nuts right here. All right, so just in case. What's up, bro? Just in case you guys are a little confused on which one goes where, because it does go in a certain direction. All right, so the humps are going to be facing that way towards the center of the engine, I guess. And this actually has an L on it for left, and it just fits right on up in there, just like that. One up the top here. All right, now that you got the bottom ones in, go ahead and put in the corner lights. Do a quick little unboxing of these. Wow, they look the same. Anyway, go ahead and get a couple of these. Oh, leave the plastics on, of course. You don't want anything to get scratched up. I really do need a sponsorship, guys. Alright, so these are the two bottoms and these are the two tops. If you guys are wondering why there's a hole right there, that is because I actually turned the top reflectors into turn signals. There's the hole. So if you guys want to see how I did that, I'll make a video showing you guys how to do it on these ones. So just make sure you guys subscribe, because I should be doing that next. Alright, you guys, an hour and 15 minutes later, and we are ready to go ahead and pull out the headlights and put them on. Oh, they package these oh so well. Alright, you guys ready to see these headlights, man? These things are freaking so cool looking. Man, you guys gotta see these headlights, bro. You guys ready? Pow! Right in the kisser. Look at these things, bro. Look. Man, these things are so nice. This right here has got an L on it for left. Damn, why is this thing? This thing's sagging down, so it's got an L on it for left. Now we're ready for installation. Alright, one headlight is finally in. Only thing we gotta do is put the other one in, put the grill on, wait until nighttime, and we need to come out here and adjust the headlights. Both headlights are in. I don't know how much I recorded on the second one because the freaking tripod is too damn loose like a mother. Anyway, let's go ahead and pull off this damn cellophane. Whew. Hell yeah, son. Look at that. Pull off this other one. Normally I would have waited until we got the grill on, but if I put the grill on, I'm not gonna be able to take those off. So now let's go ahead and put the grill on. This angle is gonna be trash, but all right, you guys. Oh my goodness, that looks so much better already. Now it's time to take off this plastic. Boom, boom. Oof. Yes. Oh my goodness, bro. Is this my truck? Oop. Got a little bit of plastic staying over. You're free now. You don't have to stay here no longer. You can leave. Boom. Wow, dude. Is this even my truck? That's crazy, dude. Hey, man. Lights and wheels definitely change the whole look of a vehicle, man. Look at that. Wow. You guys like this video? Give it a big old fat thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I appreciate every single one of you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Because of you guys, I was able to afford these lights. Now, I didn't really pay too much for them. As I said in the beginning of the video, these were the cheapest lights on Amazon. And these lights were only $64. You guys literally just bought me some lights just by watching this video and hopefully liking and commenting and telling me what you guys like the most about this video. Then who knows, you guys might be able to buy me a grill. Anyway, that's all that I have for this video. If you guys did like this video in any way, shape, or form, please leave a like. And yeah, man, I paid $64 for the headlights, turn signals, the side markers and everything. It's all $64 for the whole front setup. Cool as heck, man. And if you guys want to see how I turn this reflector into a turn signal like that, let me know in the comment section below. Just say reflector to turn signal mod, or just type in reflector in the comments, and I'll make a video showing you guys how to do that. So that's all I got for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.